Knowledge in Islam isn't just information, it's a light. The first word revealed in the Quran was Iqra. Read. Allah was telling us, open your mind, seek truth, learn. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, seeking knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim. Islam teaches us that learning brings us closer to our Creator. Every letter we read, every fact we understand, can become an act of worship. Our scholars are like stars, guiding us through the night of ignorance. The pen, the book, the classroom, they are sacred spaces in our tradition. Don't just learn for this world. Learn for the soul. Learn to change. Learn to serve. Because in Islam, knowledge isn't power, it's a trust.